Osteolive Plus, the revolution for strong, flexible bones. Your bones are not made of calcium alone, but of a complex interaction of 70 minerals in a protein matrix, just like in your own bones. In clinical studies conducted over 7 years, it has been proven that Osteolive Plus safely and completely naturally increases bone density, a breakthrough for your long-term bone health. This is what makes the difference between a mere scaffold and a living, strong foundation for your life. While conventional supplements usually provide only limestone calcium and vitamin D, Osteolive Plus relies on the power of nature, a complete plant, USDA, certified as the only organic calcium source in the world. The results are clear. Measurably stronger, more flexible bones, more energy and vitality, lower risk of osteoporosis and fractures, a foundation for a safe, active life. Your health cannot wait. With Osteolive Plus, you choose a product that not only promises, but has been proven by solid scientific data to work. Trust in the power of nature, supported by modern science, and give your bones the chance to renew themselves. Because true strength begins from within.